Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B, isinulat ko ang liham na ito upang ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong paghingi ng paumanhin sapagkat sa hindi sinasadyang pagkakataon ay naipamalas ko sa madla ang iyong liham na naglalaman ng mga salitang nagmumula sa kaibuturan ng iyong damdamin. Nais ko ring ipabatid sa iyo na nitong mga nagdaang araw na tayo'y muling nagkaroon ng pagkakataong magkausap at magkasama ay nagdulot din sa akin ng mga ngiting hindi maipagkakaila. Ang iyong kabutihan, malasakit at ang iyong walang sawang pag-aaruga para sa ating pinakamamahal na si Katie ay lubos kong pinahahalagahan. Ang iyong mga salita ay hindi lamang nakarating sa aking pandinig, kundi maging sa aking pinakatagong sulok ng aking kalooban. At ngayoy dumako tayo sa pinakamahalagang bahagi ng iyong liham. Ang iyong katanungan, pwede na ba ako manligaw? Matapos ang masusing pagnilay-nilay, pakikipagtagisa ng isip sa aking sarili, at 2 gabing pagtitig sa kisame habang pinakikinggan ang mga huni ng kuliglig, ang aking kasagutan ay, oo, ikaw ay aking pinahihintulutang manligaw. Lubos na gumagalang, binibining Miss P.
I got the brightest of stars next to me. I am my world, my supernova. You take me like an air that's breathe. The left, you touch me, set me tall. You lift me up when I start to fall. You believe in me when I tell mine. In my dreaming, you see in my dreaming. Nobody but you. You make it a good day. Nobody but you. Cross my heart, I can't say. You stay with me, babe. Nobody, 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 nobody but you, babe. But you, babe. Nobody, 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 nobody but you, babe. But you, babe. Oh, I'll play with you up. Nothing can break us apart. You forever have my heart. Like my favorite song, I can make a boy. Since you came along, never felt a love so strong. You touch me, set me tall. You lift me up when I start to fall. You believe in me when I tell myself in my dreaming. Makes me in my dreaming.
Okay, and you guys can visit Living Story to get your photos, okay? Second. Okay. Tonight's event. What an incredible night. Thank you all for coming. And we'll start the photo for now for the VIPs, correct? Alright, can we have you guys back up a little bit? And we're gonna do it for 10. 10. Who's gonna? Okay, alright. You guys can take all the pictures you want right now. VIPs, please stay. You guys have the purple band in your hands. We're gonna do 10. Okay, can I give you guys back up a little bit first, please? Okay, we'll cue you guys downstairs, okay? Yeah, I need you one line, please? Can we make one line, please?
Yes, ano? Go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I am.
After the concert,
Okay. How is that? Mas okay na yung signal? How's the signal again? Alright, okay?
kare-kare, yay! Yay! Woohoo!
Seven. Tubig. Ay, order namin, soup. Nag-soup ako.
Oh, huli ka, Mars.
Ayan na guys, nandiyan na si Miss B. Ladies and gentlemen. Kulit eh. Nandito na spam. Great.
Ha?
May bagong sa'yo?
Hindi.
Why are you laughing? I'm like, look at this. Look at this. Short. I just look different.